Alright, so good morning, dear traders. Winston Coetzee, aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading. Alright, so I'm just going to go through some stuff today on this lovely Monday. The COT results is out, and I'm going to talk about the COTs. Excuse me, before I continue on with my trading ideas for the week and for the week ahead. So, I want to show you guys a very valuable tool to use when trading, and it must be in your arsenal when you are trading. Alright, so Trading Stir. This is a very interesting website to use. It's a free to use website where you can get the latest COT data. Now when you're trading, you do need to keep an eye on the COT. That is just a commitment of traders. It's just a guideline to show you what the big institutional traders like the banks and big fund managers and so forth are doing with their funds, and what they are doing. Are they selling something? Are they buying something? So you know where they are going, and you want to go where they are going. You don't want to trade against the big guys. You do not want to do that at all. So I am busy trading the Euro USD. So I've got the US 30 open that I'm having a look at, and I've got the USD yen, and I've got the Euro yen that I am looking at now. To me, it looks like the Euro Yen. I'm going to start off with this pair here. The Euro Yen has found a top, basically, because I see there's this level and it's just not breaking this level at all. So I am on the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour chart, and I'm going to go through this step by step so you guys can see what I'm looking at and what I'm looking for. So with this range marker that it's in, because this is a range that is in now. Now a range can be one of many things, but two main things what a range does is range builds up funds, builds up liquidity in the market to make a move. Now that move can either go to the upside or it can break down to the downside. Whenever you see range markets like this, you see there it's a push, then market ranges because it's building up liquidity, then another push. Now it's ranging. So once it goes out of this range market, I saw the bottom there. Once it breaks below there, it comes back for retest on my 200 EMA, then I will definitely take in a sell position on this. Especially the reason being, I'm looking at the euro here. The reason why I want to sell the euro, this is one of my favorite assets to trade, is Euro USD. Let me show you why I am thinking of selling the euro. If you look at the commitment of traders report, the COT data, I am on the COT data report for the euro. I want to know what traders, big institutional traders, are doing with the euro. And if you can see here, the commercial has swapped over from, not too long ago it looked like this where people were buying. Now I can see the commercial is more leaning towards the selling side of the euro. So the big guys are selling the euro. So I want to be where they are. I don't want to be where the rest are. I want to go where the big dogs go. So now I can see I'm in a nice short here. So I want to start looking at selling positions on the Euro USD. I also do see that there is a nice trend line forming. It is busy ranging. It's in. This is a range. Let me just mark this off so you guys can see this quickly. I just want to get this so I can just tell you guys exactly. This whole area here, this is a ranging market. This is ranging here. So I want to see a break below this nice support over here. I want to see this tends to be a nice support. So I want to see a break below that support. That's what I'm looking at. This level here, I'm looking at a break below this. And you can see it's a nice wedge pattern forming over here. Nice wedge. Not wedge, it's a flag, but it's coming into a nice point over here. So what we might see, looking at the commitment of trader support and looking at what I'm seeing here, I do see that maybe price is going to break down to the downside and push back up for a retest. So this is what I am actually looking at when I'm looking at a trade. I'm looking for it to break below. Not this one. I'm basically looking for a break below. Yeah, just like that. And then I'm hoping for price to jump right back up to the upside maybe do a retest on that zone over there, and then for price to break right back down. And once it comes back into this zone, this support will then turn resistance. Then I'm going to start looking for a nice selling trade. On the previous videos, I explained to you guys that those of you who don't trade price action can use this trading strategy here that I have on the 1 hour, which is the 200 moving average and of course the 69 moving average. Nice. It's an EMA, exponential moving average. So if you did that, as price came back, was there, price broke below the 200 and you waited for the 69 to break below it as well. If you, when price touched there, decided to put a sell order in, let me do, your sell order would have been right over there. You would have put in a sell and your stop loss would have been above this previous high over there. I'm just putting that there for example now. There, let me take that away so I can just make it nicely for you guys. So your stop loss would have been above this level over here. If you did, you would have been in a nice profit now already if you did that strategy that I used there. But I'm looking for my price action as well to agree, and I'm looking at fundamentals plus charts to agree all at the same thing. Now fundamentally, yes, it's telling me that the euro is in for a sell. Chart wise, yes, it looks like we're busy with a downtrend there. It looks like the euro is going to sell, but I'm looking for confirmation as well on this trade. So what I'll do is, once price action goes back and retests this zone over here, I'm just going to move this one to the right place where it should be. Once price action decides to retest this zone and this trend line, I will look for a selling opportunity. I'll go down to the lower time frames, like the 5 minutes or the 1 minute time frame, and see if I can get some selling patterns, some nice candlestick patterns to tell me to jump in for a selling opportunity. But yeah, for this week guys, keep an eye on the euro, because it looks like the euro is in for a nice bear move. For my side, Winston Coetzee, please have a great time. You guys can see the date there and the time there. So today is of course the 3rd of the 7th 2023. It's now just 10:30 in the morning South African time. For my side, Winston Coetzee, please like and share these videos, and join the Facebook group. It's called Forex Hangout, and let's chat, let's all trade together, and let's all make money together. For my side, have a great one. Cheers.